love me enough for the both of us.
Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a look, or actually I should say 2 looks. So you're getting 2 for the price of 1 today. Enjoy yourself, have a good time. I'm gonna be doing some looks using the Life's a Drag palette from Manny MUA's new brand, Lunar Beauty. So I'm gonna be giving my thoughts as well as showing you a first impression on the eyes of what I think about the actual shadows. So it's time to find out. Are they so pigmented?
Pigmented.
Or not? Because that's what I really want to know. So yeah guys, if you want to see how to get these looks, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright y'all, so first things first. I have a small head, but this thing is big. I honestly was expecting it to be the size of like a Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, or like even like a Shop Hush palette. No. Manuel said go big or go home. And I'm here for it. So, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the colorful side first. I really actually do like the placement. I like how you've got the colorfuls, the neutrals, and then the shimmers right in the middle that kind of like tie everything together. We cannot complain, you guys, about the shade selection because we've been saying we're sick of warm tone neutral palettes. Is this a warm tone neutral palette? No. So I cannot complain at all. I'm gonna keep these separate. I'm gonna do a very bold look on this side, bold and colorful. And then on the other side, we'll go ahead and do the more neutral. That took me by surprise. So starting off with the shade Campy. Why did I talk like that? I'm gonna go ahead and apply that into my crease. I am most excited for this shade because I love yellow. I love me some good yellow. So sometimes yellow eyeshadow can be a bit of a miss. But so far so good. Like, I've tried some good yellow eyeshadows and I've tried some bad yellow eyeshadows. So I'm always hoping for the best. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade Kai Kai. If there's any fallout on my pink shirt, I'm suing. Okay, let me just throw that out there right now. By the way, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go ahead and do anything. Next up is Pageant Queen. Can I have a french fry?
But you said you weren't hungry. Nothing sounds good to you. Obviously, a french fry sounds good to you.
It just might. And last but not least, I'm going to take the shade Fishy, and that's going to be the last one to actually extend out on the little cut crease that we're doing. I'm going to take this little brush from the actual palette to take more of the yellow and blend it out because it's a lot smaller, little blending brush. So that way we have that yellow still on the top of the eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the shade Cake Face. I'm always on the market for a good white eyeshadow because they are a rare find in my opinion. So let's see how this one looks. Okay. So now that we've got the crease all done, I'm gonna go ahead and carve that out a bit. I'm gonna be taking some concealer, and this is the brush that I talked to you guys about in the other video where I did the cut crease. It's the E04 brush from Sigma. I got a lot of questions about what brush it was because I didn't say it last time. My bad. Okay, my concealer's almost gone. That's not good. You always have to have a backup concealer, but the problem with that is that this one's actually looking a little dry too. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know why I haven't been buying concealer, but I need to, like ASAP, tomorrow morning. I'm gonna go ahead and do the Cake Face white shade all over the lid because I really want the colors to pop. So we're just gonna pat that on top of the concealer that we applied. You can see it's just a lot brighter. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the bottom part of my eye now, and I'm gonna go back in with Campy. We're gonna blend out that yellow. Ooh. One thing I can say though is that I really do wish that there was a really bright red shade, because I'm always on the lookout for like a very good bright red eyeshadow. And then I'm just gonna finish it off with the shade Snatched. Alright you guys, so this is what happens when you say things before you even know the truth. Because when you put the shade Snatched on, it actually looks a lot brighter than it looks in the pan. Because if you can see my brush right here versus like how it looks in the pan, it looks like kind of like a burgundy shade. But when you apply it, it's more rich, more red. Yes. Ooh, I love that. That's gorgeous. I live. But I'm going to go ahead and use the same inner corner highlight for both eyes. That way it kind of like ties everything together. So I'm going to take the shade Beat and we're going to apply that inner corner. Just to give us a little glow. Okay, so the first eye is good to go. I'm gonna apply lashes last, but I'm gonna show you both looks first. So I'm just gonna do my other cut crease really quick, and then I'll show you what they look like side by side, and then I'll put my lashes and we'll be real dramatic. We'll get our lips on, we'll get our highlight on, and look real poppin'. So for the crease on the second side, I'm obviously gonna take Sickening because we need a nice transition. And just going to apply that here. Very nice transition shade. And rather than going in with Hunty, I think I'm just gonna go right in with Mug because that's just what I wanna do. Then I'm gonna go in with the shade Trade, which has like a little bit of a red tint to it, but still like a burgundy brown. This is very risky because I don't use a lot of black eyeshadow often, but I'm going to go in with Shady. The only time I honestly ever use black eyeshadow is on the bottom. I do not rarely ever use black eyeshadow anymore on the tops, unless it's like right here for some smoked out liner. I don't know why. I used to use black a lot, but I don't know why. It gets messy sometimes. So same thing on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Cake Face to get that nice highlighted look under the brow bone. Okay, now for that dramatic ass cut crease that we did, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out with my backup concealer again. Do not let me forget to buy concealer in the morning because I will regret it. And I'm gonna apply the white shade as well on the lid. Back in with that sickening shade on the bottom. And then in with Trade. Somehow this eye became very fall appropriate. It's not fall. It's not even close to being fall. I messed up. And back in with Beat on the inner corner on this side. I feel like we could definitely go in and use the shade Legendary. I think I want to pop some of that right in the center. Just give us like a little bit of extra some. Okay, so both of our eye looks are done. They both ended up being bold. What can I say? I'm just a bold character. So those are the eye looks. Time for our least favorite part, which is lashes. I hate putting on lashes. I make it look like I'm really good at it. I'm really not good at it, but I'm gonna skip the whole mascara bit because I always put mascara on camera and it's like a waste of time. You guys know what it looks like to put on mascara, so I'm gonna skip that. Isn't that so much better to just skip the whole thing? We're good now. All right, lashes are on, and I think it's time to find out what's good with this Beat highlight. Okay. So obviously this is meant to be a shadow, not a highlight, and you can tell because it does pretty much just go into one area. It doesn't spread out very much. I just thought I'd give it a try since we're using the palette anyways. Lastly, for the lips, I wanted to go with something that was neutral, but still in a way bold. There is a way to make a nude lip bold. And that, my friends, is dark lip liner with a light nude. Because it still looks bold, like when you go out, it still looks bold. Like that really, really light nude with the darker lip liner still is gonna look like bam, pow. And for the lip liner, I'm using my fave, Sandstorm. You already know from NYX. The bomb. Then for the actual lipstick, I'm gonna take Nuditude. And this is by Time Los Angeles. So as you can see right there, that's nude. Like that's super nude. And I'm going to apply a little bit of the Wet Cherry Gloss from Lime Crime, just the clear one. Ooh, I live for this, you guys. Oh my gosh, you don't even know. Alright you guys, so that is it for these looks. Which side would you rock? Would you rock the colorful? Would you rock the more dark neutral? Or would you rock both? You can say you'd rock neither, but I mean, that's not really the answer I'm looking for. And what do you guys think about the actual palette itself? Do you guys like it? Do you not like it? Did you purchase it? What do you think about the shade range? Yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm digging it. It's nice. It's a nice all the time palette because I'll blend out any look with yellow. I just want to say that now. So good yellow is a staple in any palette. But I just like it because it ranges from neutral to more bright. You can mix and match and make a lot of different looks. So for me, I really, really like it. Did you guys get it? Let me know. Let me know. I'm just glad I didn't have any fallout on my new pink shirt because we would have had some problems, but I really didn't see any fallout. Like I everything looks smooth, everything looks clean. But yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.